My last bits.
Let's show us the last bits and then we'll get out of here.
Oh, okay.
That's not what I think it is it?
What do you mean?
I thought that was a Fiat Mephistophele. And I thought you were starting yourself.
By getting another one?
Yeah.
No, it's one of these. It's a very not Mr. How do you pronounce it?
I was looking at the other one.
Oh, the Mephistophele. No. This is a truck. This is a Volvo.
Volvo.
Volvo. Where are Volvos from?
The Volvo factory.
In Sweden.
Sure.
Actually, they're a Swedish company. I don't know if they're still making them in Sweden. They would, wouldn't they?
I'd imagine Scandinavia somewhere.
You would do. But I mean, Volvos were being made in Holland at one stage too. Being made everywhere. And I think UD Trucks has got something to do with Volvo as well.
Nissan.
Is that Nissan now? Wasn't UD Trucks part of Volvo?
No, good trucks though.
There you go. So here we go. This is brand new. New Italeri. 24 scale truck. What else we got? This is not so brand new.
I've never seen it in yellow though.
Yeah.
Have we had yellow one before?
I call this the upgraded version.
Why is it upgraded?
So it's got upgraded molds. It's got photo etch and chrome bits. So they've improved upon it.
The Bambino.
Bambini?
I'm lucky that it's in 12 scale because it's small.
Yeah.
That's a big box for a little car, isn't it?
That's because so many bits open up. Opening doors, opening bonnets.
Ah.
Yeah, all those bits open.
It's like an 8 scale box, isn't it, considering the size?
Yeah, that's right.
Of the
Because
car.
when I show you the next thing,
Yep.
well, it's the same size box, but it's a much bigger car. It's a Bugatti.
A Bugatti.
Bugatti 35B.
What can you
And
tell
this-
me about the 35B?
I don't know much about the car itself, but this is a brand new mold.
It's French.
Yes,
We've had these before.
we have had these before.
You just
But
told
I
me it's a
think-
brand new mold.
Well, it's a brand new mold in that Italeri made it from scratch. It's
Oh.
not one of the 40-year-old molds like the Fiat that I'm building.
Oh.
So freshly
Pressed.
machined.
Oof.
That's right.
2024.
And it's really nice that they've invested in this because
And this is made in Italy.
yes,
This isn't offshored.
no.
This is...
And it's great that they do this because the other kits are great, but they're just aged a bit. Looks pretty awesome, doesn't
Well,
it?
is it 19? Is it 35 because it's 1935?
I don't know. It could be. It sounds about right, doesn't it? Has it got a little bit of history on it?
Not that I can read in 38 seconds.
So this is the Roadster.
I can tell you that it's French Blue TS10.
The difference with this one, it's got lights on it. So this is the road version, as in the private version. The original one that came out, I'm sure it didn't have the lights on it. It was a racing version.
It's a bit like me.
What? You're the bread version?
Probably needs to be hand started.
Hand started.
Started by hand. There you go.
Yeah, hand crank. Well, the Fiat's hand cranked. Just see the size of the hand crank.
Is it?
Massive. It's an aircraft engine. You should see the videos on starting it up. Wow, one guy
Nearly loses his eyebrows.
nearly loses his
will to live.
arm sockets.
Bit of kickback. There you go. The
you go.
all-new Italeri Bugatti Type 35B.
I reckon that's all.
That's
all
it.
I've got.
Let's shut it
That's all I've
down.
got.